Here we have some of the wine cap mushrooms we picked earlier. About to cook them. I'm gonna make some pasta this time, pappardelle. We'll see how it comes out. I may put some eggs in, why not? Onion and grated carrot. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna put the eggs or not, but I wash them and I'll decide. In the meantime, I chopped the wine caps, and we have walnut oil and a few crushed chilies as well. For cooking the onions, I put a little bit of butter in there as well with the oil. Here, I chopped some fresh garlic, wild garlic. I've added in the wine caps, the chopped wine caps, walnut oil, the rest of the butter that I showed you, and crushed chilies. I'm gonna let them to cook now, and in the meantime I'm cooking the pasta as well. And I don't think I'm gonna put eggs because those pasta I'm using already has a lot of egg content in it, so we'll see. Put more boiling water so there's enough room for the pappardelle to cook in. And this is cooking on low heat. These are cooking on high heat. The mushrooms are going to release quite a bit of water. So you should have enough juice for this to cook in. We have left over the carrot and the garlic. There's some wine caps left. Maybe my husband will want to make an omelette later on. I didn't use them all because there were quite a bit of mushrooms and I didn't need that many. The mushrooms are almost ready, the sauce, kind of sauce. Pasta is still boiling, but maybe 3 minutes and it will be ready probably. So yeah, I can't really give you time because it depends on the heat and the source of heat you use and the amount of mushrooms you use and stuff like that. But when they turn like a brownish color, that's when they're done, usually. The thinner you slice or dice the mushrooms, the quicker they are done. Obviously, if they're thicker, you want to cook them for longer. You don't want to risk eating raw mushrooms. I strained the pasta, removed it from that pot, and added a little bit more butter in the sauce pan. Now they're all together, and I've added some wild garlic on top, and it will be ready in a couple of seconds after I stir a bit through it. And the pasta, the wine cap mushroom pasta is ready. I'm gonna plate it and we're gonna enjoy it for lunch. This is why I love the wine caps. They're easy to grow, very versatile in cooking. Wonderful. Grow food, not loans. I've plated the pasta. It's all ready to be enjoyed. We have some salt here just in case we need more. I'm so hungry. Can't wait. I've never cooked it like this, so we'll see how it came out, but it looks really nice. Okay, have a lovely afternoon and thank you for watching.